So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so doing absolutely fine. ऐसे क्या देख रहे हो? Yeah, I know I uploaded my last video almost a month ago. एक महीने से मैंने कोई भी वीडियो अपलोड नहीं की है. And obviously the reasons are studies of course. Basically my college का term exam was going on and also I had my coaching का test and lots of exam stuff. So basically I had lots of studies to do. I was willing to make videos, but I couldn't afford to make videos. Actually, I would have make videos, but if I did that, I would have led to a huge, very bad thing called as backlog. Yeah, which I won't afford at this period. If I get a backlog, then you know what can happen. So basically I couldn't afford that. So basically moving back to today's video. So today's video is all about something you will listen further. So today basically the date is 15th of December when I'm shooting this, and today morning I just came across one thing, that tomorrow on 16th of December something special is coming. Yeah, if you have came to know about it, then you're lucky, cause tomorrow on 16th of December a new movie is coming, and that is Spider-Man No Way Home. I'm trying to get a ticket for tomorrow's show, which I would think which will be a better way to make my routine a little different, cause बहुत studies हो गई है पिछले मंथ तक और मेरी full वाट लगी है. So basically I need at least a 1 day rest and I deserve it. Yes, and you also guys deserve at least a 1 day rest after doing studies. नहीं तो आप बोलोगे कि मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ, पढ़ाई के नाम पे कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, रेस्ट ले रहे हो. ऐसा नहीं चलना चाहिए. So yeah, today morning I just scrolled up on the ticket show and I just found that where I live in Savantwadi we don't have any such theater, so we couldn't get any tickets here. The only nearest theater is at the Goa. गोवा तो सबको पता है ना यार, और आपको पता नहीं तो बोल देता हूँ, मैं महाराष्ट्र से हूँ और गोवा मेरे से लाइक it's almost just 50 kilometers भी नहीं, like 30 kilometers, 30-40 kilometers away from me. Basically I live at Maharashtra border, so Goa is very close to me. So basically we have a mall in Goa, the only one mall which has INOX, yeah, a big screen INOX. So basically that's where we can watch the movies. So I just saw the tickets and luckily I got 3 tickets. Yes guys, I got 3 tickets and I was so happy at that time, cause when I booked those 3 tickets, within 2 minutes after that all the tickets got sold and I would have lost the chance of first day first show, which basically will not also happy moment for me. So after getting that 3 tickets, I just called my friends and told them that I got 3 tickets. They were also happy, and then we decided to go to Goa on 16th of December, that is tomorrow. Yes guys, so I am very excited for tomorrow guys. Let's hope that tomorrow's day will be the best day ever. And also first time I am making a travel vlog along with study vlog. I am making a travel vlog. Hope so you like this vlog. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Yes guys, so let's move towards the intro. No, आज इंट्रो नहीं डालेंगे, आज का ट्रैवल व्लॉग है. नो इंट्रो, डायरेक्ट चालू करते हैं सुबह के पढ़ाई से. ऑब्वियस वी आर जेई स्टूडेंट, सारा दिन तो एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते. पिक्चर शो टाइमिंग है 2:30 का. सो बेसिकली वी विल स्टडी टिल मॉर्निंग दोपहर से पहले तक हम पढ़ाई करेंगे और बाद में जाएंगे गोवा. सो मीट यू टुमारो. टिल देन बाय.
few moments later.
Waking up this morning, the last thing I thought I'd be thinking about would be you. I opened up the blinds and saw your hair tie on my windowsill. Not gonna lie, haven't talked to you in a while. What if I just hit you up? Would it still feel the same? What if I hit you up? Said I was coming to your place. Driving till midnight just to turn around. Wish I knew where I was going now. Cause I'm not the same that I used to be. But some things don't change. Yeah, some things don't change. Bet you're just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and got kicked out. In our heads as we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. I knew the minute I saw you standing there in line, it had to be fake. So in your phone you didn't notice me till I came and said I know that it's been a long time, but it's crazy cause I just phoned you the other day. Never takes long with us. Following you back to your place. Feels like we're right where we left off, and now I'll make sure this time I make it count. Cause we're not the same that we used to be. But some things don't change. Yes, some things don't change. Just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and fell in love. Our head tells me looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. And over our head tells me looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart.
Released earlier today on the controversial news website, thedailybugle.net.
There you have it, folks. Conclusive proof that Spider-Man was responsible for the brutal murder of Mysterio, an interdimensional warrior who gave his life to protect our planet, and who will no doubt go down in history as the greatest superhero of all time. But that's not all, folks. Here's the real blockbuster. Brace yourselves, you might want to sit down.
Spider-Man's real name is...
A few moments later.
फोन पर
1 hour later.